Okay, so let's continue this lab. We still need to find some values in order to complete it. Let's start with measuring the output voltage with no load. So remove this resistor from the circuit. Let's plug it in. $15.21 volts. Alright, let's measure the resistance of this 10 kilo ohm resistor. .88 kilo ohms. Okay. Let's put this resistor in parallel to add a load to the power supply and measure the output voltage. Let's just call that 14.55. Okay, so we'll calculate that later. All right, let's measure. Let's see. Let's find out what this resistance really is. It's a 5.6 kilo ohm resistor. $5.529. Okay. Let's apply the load. Don't do that on purpose. It can fry your multimeter. 14.23 volts. These are just calculations. I'm just going to skip those. Okay, so this is a 6.7 kilo ohm resistor. Let's see what it really is. Okay. Well, that's for calculations later. I'll just skip that and apply this resistor just to get all the data. $14.41. Alright, so that's it. Just for fun, I think what I'm going to do is find the measured currents. It says calculate the currents, but I just want to measure them. Just so when I'm done calculating to see how far off it is. About 1 milliamp. Let's change this resistor out. About 3 milliamps. Alright, so that's all we need to complete this section of the lab.